ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਜ ਕੇ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਜ ਕੇ ਤਾਈਂ ਤੋਰ ਚ ਮੜਕਣਾ
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Tanva. I am a bridal and editorial makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful party look for yourself. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm using this PAC concealer to prep my eyelids. After I blend it out smoothly, I am going to dust it off with a powder. I'm using the PAC powder. This is a compact. Then I'm taking this brownish shade from Juvias palette and creating a transition color. Doing the same on the other eye as well, and I'm going to blend it out very smoothly. Then taking the green color and applying on the outer corner of my eyes. And taking this shimmery green color and applying on the center of the eyelids. Then to fill the inner corner, I am using this greenish yellow mix kind of color. This is a very vibrant color. I'm going to pack a little more of that shade. Almost done. Then taking the darker green and applying on the outer corner of the eyes. To moisturize my face, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to prep my skin well before the foundation. Giving it a nice massage. To color correct my dark spots, I'm using this MAC Orange Color Corrector from the palette. Applying it on wherever I have dark spots. Since I forgot to apply my primer, I'm using it now. I'm taking a very little and applying near my nose and my chin area, wherever I have open pores. To give little bit of glow, I am applying this MAC Strobe cream. Today I'm going to use this PAC foundation. This is extremely good foundation and it gives a beautiful finish. To contour my face, I'm using the brown color from the same palette. I'm not going heavy with the contour today, going very light. Just blending it out smoothly. For concealer, I'm using this PAC concealer just to highlight my inner corner of my eyes and a little bit on my nose and forehead. And taking a damp beauty blender and blending it out. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. Before I set my face with the powder, I'm going to apply this setting spray and then I'm going to set. Today I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my face and dusting off the excess after a few seconds. For blush, I'm using this beautiful blush palette from Maybelline, mixing all the colors together and applying. So now time for the brows. Before I put any product on my brows, I prefer to brush it up and then give it a nice shape. Since I have very dark eyebrows, I'm not going really heavy. For my inner corner and the eyebrow bone, I'm using this Baker highlighter to highlight a bit. For eyeliner, I'm using this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. I think it's almost dried up. But I think I can still manage with that. Going a little heavy with the liner, making a wing, I think big wing liner. Doing the same on the other eyes. And after I applied my falsies, I'm trying to merge both my original and the falsies with the mascara. For highlighter today, I'm using this Anastasia palette, mixing all the colors and just applying it. For my lower line, I'm using this Urban Decay purple shade. I don't know why I chose purple though. I thought of green. And then blending it out with this brown shade with a fluffy brush. For my waterline, I'm using this white pencil. To line my lips and make it look fuller, I'm using this lip liner from Nykaa Beauty. This is a beautiful pink shade. For lips, I'm again going ahead with the Maybelline beautiful shade. And setting my face with this beautiful setting spray from Urban Decay. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Thank you so much.